Hello, welcome back again, dear friends. In this video, we will learn how to consolidate the data. Suppose you have your company and there are products which have sales under quarter one and quarter two, quarter three, like quarter four. So these are the product, and in December under quarter one, the sales have been happened 450, 560, 450, and the total is 1460. So likewise for different quarters the sales has happened, and now you want to know the consolidated data, so throughout the year how much sales have happened. And so we have a formula called consolidation. Under data tab you have to just go to the consolidate. You have to you want to consolidate, so you want the sum, so just select the sum because we are doing the sum. So under reference you have to click this arrow, upper arrow, and select the range under quarter one. So you want to include this table, so this is our range, and here click drop down, and after clicking the drop down just click on add, so this will get added. Similarly, just you have to go to the quarter two sheet. So here also the range of the table got selected automatically. Just what you have to do is just click on add. Under quarter three also, see, it's got automatically selected. Just click on add. So under quarter four also it got automatically selected. Just click on add. Now you want top row, top column, and you want to create the data. So just click on OK. So this has been, the table has been created. The consolidated data has been come under this sheet. So now I want something like that. This quarter I have entered the wrong data, so suppose I'll change the data here, 550. Let's see if if this has got done here. So it has come here. So likewise, if you want to know whether the sum is correct or the formula has been correctly applied, just click control and tilde. You will find, yeah, then again control and tilde. So this is how we apply the consolidate functions. If you found this formula useful, please do subscribe and share. Thank you.